Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate PBS Kids on your TV using an activation code, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming educational content. Step 1. Turn on your TV and open the PBS Kids app. If the app is not installed, download it from your TV's App Store. Step 2. Launch the PBS Kids app and navigate to the Settings or Activate section. Step 3. Select the option to activate your device or link your TV to generate an activation code. Step 4. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible for the next steps. Step 5. On your computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to pbskids.org. Activate. Step 6. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV into the provided field on the website. Step 7. Click Submit or Continue, and the website will verify your code. You may be asked to create a PBS account or log in if you already have one. Step 8. Once the activation is confirmed, your TV will automatically refresh, and PBS Kids will be fully activated. You can now enjoy a wide variety of educational shows, games, and videos designed for children on your big screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.